students who have joined the 2016-18 batch of PGDM programs at IMI Delhi. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the new batch of students who have joined PGDM, PGDM HR and PGDM Banking and Finance and who are going to be part of the IMI community over the next 2 years to begin with, and eventually remain a part of the fraternity forever. IMI Delhi is known as the oldest and the first ever corporate sponsored business school set up in India. It was set up way back in 1981 and therefore it has a very long history. The other important thing that I would like to mention about IMI Delhi is that IMI Delhi is fortunate in having a very large pool of highly skilled, highly qualified, interdisciplinary faculty. Now many of you, when you decide, because I am sure that all of you had several options in terms of your admissions. Since there is not a single student sitting here who has less than 60% marks in any of the exams you've written, you know, whether it is 10th, 12th, graduation, everything, and very high percentile in terms of your CAT scores. When you have such profiles, you have multiple opportunities. And therefore, when you have decided to accept our admission offer and join here, you have made an important decision of your life. Number of faculty is not the only parameter in terms of the strength of an institute. It is the qualifications and profiles of the faculty that matter. So for instance, almost all the faculty members that we have in IMI Delhi hold a doctorate. They are all PhDs. Now, percentage of faculty having a PhD is a very important parameter for measuring the quality of faculty. There is hardly any faculty member here who does not have significant publications in journals and therefore they have significant research which they have conducted. Most of them have huge experience of teaching, both in regular MBA programs as well as in the executive development programs. I am very proud to tell you that most of my faculty members have expertise in the case method of instruction, and therefore in terms of pedagogy and delivery, the environment in the classroom in IMI is comparable to the environment in IIMs. It is broadly comparable in terms of the kind of delivery that takes place and the intensity with which the delivery takes place. But we were delighted, absolutely delighted, when we learned that IMI Delhi was ranked number 7 in the country in the MHRD rankings, the government rankings. Now, what is important is that IMI Delhi was the only private sector business school in the top 10. The remaining 9 were public sector institutions. And the 6 institutions which were ranked ahead of IMI Delhi were IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta, IIM Lucknow, IIM Udaipur and IIM Kozhikode. These were the 6 institutions which were ahead of us and we were 7th. So therefore, this has given us enormous amount of confidence in terms of that what we were doing was in the right direction. And this would not have been possible without the overall assessment that the ministry did. And what is important is that out of various parameters on which the ministry ranked, there is one parameter which is the most critical parameter, and that is learning opportunities, faculty and intellectual resources. On this dimension, IMI Delhi ranks number 5. So we are in the top 5 institutes. That means there are only 4 IIMs which are ahead of us. Now this year, For the first time in the history of the institute, we had achieved 100% placements by the end of January. Normally, the business schools can't achieve 100% placements even by March or April. I mean, last year, our placements had not concluded even in May. But this year, we have finished everything by the end of January, and we are committed to achieving high standards in placements. Not that it matters, but I am very proud to also tell you one more thing, that IMI Delhi is one place which does not have a management quota or NRI quota. Everybody is here on merit and merit alone. And this is the value that I want to inculcate, that no quotas, only the performance and the merit. But that is our side. Now you have to give it from your side. I wish you all the very best, and I hope that the next 2 years will prove to be the years of milestone and achievement in your life. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.